Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Unpeely from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first up, I'm gonna draw his hat. So I'm gonna draw a diagonal line right there, turn it down, and diagonal turn back up, and turn it down and up. And on the left side right here, I'm gonna draw a strip coming up with a rectangular shape right there, and I'm gonna copy this set of shape on the right side right here. Right there. And at the side on the right, I'm gonna draw a few strips coming out on the side like that and downwards. And on the left side, we're gonna draw a similar shape, strips coming out from the side. And at the bottom, and behind the middle section of the hat right here, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And on top of that, I'm gonna draw from this point a diagonal curved line to the right, semicircle turn downwards at the corner, and another similar one from this point to the left, turn it downwards. And above, I'm gonna draw a line up from the side, and we're gonna draw some strips at the top section as well. One at the corner here, a curved one at this corner, and another one going up right there, and straight up, and this one going down, and a few strips going upwards, and another one going down. And at the side, I'm gonna add the strips coming up. And I'm gonna add a few more longer ones at this corner right here. And on top of that, I'm gonna draw the tip of his head with a curved line at the side. Semicircle turn at the tip. Turn it back down on the right side. Now below the hat, we're gonna continue the line downwards on both the left and right, and on the right side here, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards for the string below the hat, and I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right here, and another one at this side. And we're gonna copy the same curved line back up at this point right here. Now at the lower point, I'm gonna continue the line to the left, and I'm gonna draw a few oval shape right there, another one at the side, and another one. And I'm gonna continue the line upwards to the left side of the hat. And I'm gonna stop there for a while, and I'm gonna copy the same curve line back down on the other side. And at the side of the knot, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there and another one on the right side. Now for his glasses, I'm going to take this point and draw a line in, a curved line at that point, and across, a curved line in between the glasses, and going back to the left corner, I'm going to turn it downwards, curved line in and down, semicircle turn sideways for the lower part, and back up with a curved line in the middle, and a curved line in the center for the lower part. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the glasses on the right side right here. And inside of that, I'm gonna trace the outline and a semicircle turn for all the corners inside. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side right here, and I'm gonna extend the line of the string on the left side upwards to that point. Now we're gonna continue the line of the head downwards on the left here, and I'm gonna extend it slightly outwards for his shoulder and downwards. And on the right side, I'm gonna take this point and draw a line outwards to the right, turn it down, turn it back in right there, back to the sunglasses. And for the right line of the head, I'm gonna continue this downwards, make a turn outwards with a curved line, turn it down, and at the elbow point we're gonna flare it slightly outwards and back in towards the wrist. And we're gonna do a similar shape for the inner line, flare it out below the elbow point and back in towards the wrist. And at the side of the thumb here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, semicircle turn at the tip, back up, semicircle turn to the fingers, downwards, and semicircle turn at the tip and back up, and a curved line at this corner. For the other finger, I'm gonna draw a curved line here, semicircle turn back, and we're gonna copy the same shape of the finger at this corner and another one right there. Now below the glasses, I'm gonna draw his mouth with a curved line across and another curved line below that. And inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and I'm gonna fill up the sides right there with black color. Now from this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards to the waist, and another curved line from this point in the same direction, and a curved line across for the top of the short right there, and a curved line at the side, turn it downwards. Same goes to the right side, and at this point I'm gonna make a turn to the left and back up and across a curved line right there, and I'm gonna do the same shape on the left side as well. Now at the slightly above that line across, I'm gonna draw a similar line right there, and at the side here I'm gonna turn it upwards to to that point, and a curved line at the outer point right here. And we're gonna draw across another curved line on the right side right here. In between, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at this point, and a rectangular shape to the side, semicircular turn at the corner, back in. And I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this point, and we're gonna mirror that on the right side as well. Below that, I'm gonna draw a string coming out right there, and the same goes to the right side. Below that, I'm gonna draw a line downwards and another one on the left side, turn it to the right. And then slightly below the waist, I'm gonna draw across another similar curved line right there. And then for his left arm, I'm going to take this point and draw a curved line diagonally up, a curved line at the side, and turn it upwards, semicircular turn at the tip. And for the fingers, a curved line at the top here, extend it downwards, semicircular turn back up, and copy the same shape for the other fingers. And for the pinky, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, semicircular turn back in, and a curved line at the side of the hand, and a curved line down towards the elbow, semicircular turn back to the side of his body. Now for the legs below the short, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, turn it inwards with diagonal line, and a similar shape for the inner line of the leg, a curved line down, turn it outwards below the knee point, and back in towards the ankle. And for the front line, a curved line down below the knee and outwards. Now for his slippers, I'm gonna draw a semicircular line at this point, turn it downwards to the side, and repeat that at this point, and a curved line at the base. And I'm gonna copy the same set of shape at the front position right here. And in front of that, I'm gonna draw a line to the front, semicircular turn downwards, and turn it to the side. And continue that all the way to the heels. And I'm gonna draw a curved line up right there. And for the base of the slipper, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left here, semicircular turn at that corner, extend it all the way towards the heels, and turn it back with a semicircular line to the left. And for the base, I'm gonna copy the same curved line across and a line at the front and the back. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the leg on the right side as well. And finally, I'm gonna add some minor touches. A few diagonal lines at the head right here. I'm gonna draw another set of diagonal line in the opposite way, like that. I'm gonna draw some more at the side. And from the top of the head, I'm gonna draw some lines coming down like that, all the way to the shorts. Try to make the lines as thin as possible because we don't want the lines coming down to overpower the drawing. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!